viewers, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope so you all are fine at your home. Today we are going to start our new topic, new chapter, which is rational numbers. Before coming on to the rational numbers, I will just have a quick review of some kind of different more numbers. First of all, what is their natural number? Natural numbers are the counting numbers. These are numbers that can be seen in nature. It's denoted by n. It's set denoted by n. Means natural numbers are those numbers which we found in the nature as well. Let's suppose how many fingers we are having. We are having 5 fingers. So 5 is a natural number. Fine. If we are having 2 ears over there, means what is a natural number? 2. Fine. So each and every number is a natural number, and there is a no ending of the natural number. कभी भी ending नहीं होती किसी भी natural number की. It is at the infinite, and it's set denoted by the n. इसका set किससे denote करा जाता है? n से denote किया जाता है. And in the set of natural numbers, it is starting from 1 and going infinite. Means it will never end up at any position. One by one it will just increase and it will go to the infinite. Fine. ये कभी भी ख़त्म नहीं होते. But the smallest natural number is 1. जो सबसे छोटा natural number है that is the 1. Okay, come to the second one, whole number. Whole numbers are natural numbers including 0. It is denoted by W. Fine. Whole numbers are also the natural numbers, but in this 0 is also included over there. In the simple natural number 0 was not included. जब हम natural numbers की बात करते हैं तो 0 को हम include नहीं कर रहे होते हैं. But when we are talking about the whole numbers, we are including 0 as well. And the smallest whole number is 0. Fine. And the whole number, the set of whole number is denoted by W. Now come to the third one, integers. Integers are whole numbers including negative numbers. It is denoted by I. Integers are simply the natural numbers, but in this negative numbers are also included over there. Means -1, -2 and 1, 2, all the numbers are included into the integers. The integers are denoted by I. Hope so all these 3 things are clear to you. Fine. Fine. Okay, we are having rational numbers and irrational numbers. What are the rational numbers? A number which can be expressed in the form of P upon Q. Means simply you can say the numbers which can be expressed in the form of fraction, that is called the rational numbers. And Q cannot be is equals to 0. जो Q है यानी नीचे डिनोमिनेटर है वो कभी भी 0 नहीं हो सकता. Let's suppose if we are talking about a simple number 2, even it is a rational number because we can express it into the form of 2 upon 1 means in the form of P upon Q. So 2 is also a rational number. Fine. And what is an irrational number? Irrational number is a number which cannot be expressed in the form of P upon Q. वो numbers जो कि P upon Q के form में express नहीं हो सकते, that is called the irrational numbers. Okay, now what are the irrational? Which things are included into the rational number? कौन से numbers जो हैं वो include होते हैं? All the fractions are included into the rational number. Either it is negative or positive. -1 upon 2, 2 upon 2, 3 upon 6, or plus 5 upon 6. Any kind of fraction. Either it is proper, improper, mixed. All kind of fractions are included into the rational numbers. Come to the second one, terminating decimal. Means a decimal which is ending up at any point, means 5.64. Fine. So these kind of numbers are called the rational numbers. Okay. Repeating decimal means a decimal which is continuously repeating, that is also known as the rational number. Means 5.6666. And this, after the decimal the number is repeating over there, that is called the repeating decimal, and it is also the rational number. Come to the perfect square. Perfect square means the perfect square over there, just like 4, 25, Fine. So these are also known as the rational numbers. Come to the irrational numbers. Okay, what are the irrational numbers? Pi. Pi means pi, which we use a sign in the math, that is also the irrational number. Okay, not fractions means the any numbers which are not belongs to the fraction, that is also the irrational number. Decimal does not repeat means in which the decimal, after the decimals the numbers are not repeating over there, that are the irrational numbers. Means 6.8476893, so that is called the decimal does not repeat. इसके अंदर हमारे पास decimal repeat नहीं हो रहे. Decimal does not ends means it is not ending up at any place and it is going infinite. Means 92.645 and infinite is there, means it is never ending up at any point. Fine, it is not completely dividing the things, so that is called the irrational number. And the non-perfect square means √7, which is not getting a perfect number over there after getting the square. जिसके अंदर रूट निकालने के बाद अगर सही perfect number नहीं आता, that is called the non-perfect squares. And when we get the exact number over there, so that is called the perfect square. Fine. Hope so the rational numbers and irrational numbers are clear to you. Fine. Have to arrange it into the ascending order. First of all, the one thing we have to know that how we can arrange it into the on a number line. So first of all, I am drawing a number line over there. Fine. In the mid of the number line there is a number 0 over there. What is over there? 0 over there. And here what we have? -1, -2, -3 and -4 and so on. And on the right side what we have? 1, 2, 3 and 4 and so on. So first of all we have to arrange these number on the numbers line. किस तरह से हम इनको नंबर्स को अरेंज कर सकते हैं इन नंबर लाइन पे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम अरेंजिंग द सिंपल नंबर्स ओवर देयर. जो मुझे सिंपल नंबर्स नज़र आ रहे हैं, सबसे पहले तो मैं उनको अरेंज कर रहा हूँ या मार्क कर रहा हूँ. व्हाट इज द 6/7 इज देयर. ओके बाय द लाइन वी आर जस्ट डूइंग. What is over there? 6/7. Fine. First of all, what you need to do? You have to convert it into the points form. So how you can convert it? 6 will become inside and 7 will be there. Fine. 0.0 will increase. Fine. 7 5s are 45. 7 6s are 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. Fine. 7 8s are 56 means 5. 10 minus 6, how much will be remaining? 4. 5 minus 5, 0. The point is also there. Again 0 is there. So 7 5s are 35 is there. Then how you can subtract 3? 10 minus 5, 5 will be remaining. 5 0 minus and so on. It will go so on over there. 0.85 means 6/7 means 0.85. So where it will rely? 0.85 हमारा कहाँ पे आएगा? 0 और 1 के बीच में कहीं. तो मैं यहाँ पे क्या लिख दूंगा? 6/7 over there. Now the second number is there 4. So where I will place? Over 4 I will write 4 over there. Then what is the number over there? 2.45. So where it will rely? ये कहाँ पे होगा? 2 और 3 के मिड में. So 2.45. Now what is the number over there? -3 1/2 means first of all we have to convert it into the points form, so it will be easier for us to placing on the number line. सबसे पहले तो हम क्या करेंगे? इसको पॉइंट्स की फॉर्म में चेंज कर लेंगे ताकि हमें क्या हो? आसानी हो. क्या करने में आसानी हो? हमें इसको सिंपली चेंज करने में, यानी नंबर लाइन पे प्लेस करने में आसानी हो. तो 3 1/2 means 3. Okay, I am just doing all the rough work over here. 3 1/2 means 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 7 7/2. 7/2 means 7 will be inside and 2 will be outside. Fine. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 7 7/2. Fine. Now what do you need to do? 2 3s are 6. -7 -1 0.0. 5s are 10 minus 0 0. So what is coming over there? 3.5 minus 3.5 is our answer. So where it will lie? Between -4 and -3.4. So it will come over here, -3 on 1 over 2. Okay, now next what is there? 0 0 will come on the point 0. Then what is there? -1 upon 2. So where it will come? It will come between 1 and 1.22. -1 upon 2. Now what is the main thing? As we have to convert it into the ascending order, हमें इसको किस में लिखना है? ascending order से, मीन्स छोटे से बड़े की तरफ जाना है हमने. तो हमेशा हमारा कहाँ से होगा? लेफ्ट से राइट की तरफ जाना है. तो लेफ्ट पे हमारे पास सबसे पहला कौन सा नंबर है? 3 1 upon 2. सो 3 1 upon 2 माइनस का फर्स्ट वन. सेकेंड फिर कौन सा नंबर है हमारे पास? 0. फाइन. देन what is the number over there? Okay, sorry, what is the number over there? -1 upon 2. So where it will come? -1 upon 2, where it will come? -1 upon 2 will come between -1 and -1 upon 2, somewhere over here, 1.222. So where it will come? After -3 upon 2, what is the number over there? -1.222. Then 0, then 6 upon 7, then 2.45, then last 4. So that's how first of all we have to arrange it on the numbers line. Then we have to convert it into the ascending or descending order. Hope so this thing is clear to you. It's same as like that. If they are saying it, arrange it into the descending order. अगर हमें इसको descending order में arrange करने को बोला जाए तो क्या करेंगे हम उस साइड से लिखना शुरू कर देंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 4, then 2.45, then 6 upon 7, then 0, then -1.222, then -3 upon 1 upon 3 whole 1 upon 2. Hope so this thing is clear to you. Fine. Any simple number into the rational number. First of all, a number is there 5. Fine. So as you can see that there is no number under it, means what will be the number? 1 will be there. And now it is in the form of P upon Q. So now it become a rational number. Fine. One more example is there. 5.6867. Oh, 877. Fine. Now I have to complete it. Convert it into the rational numbers. How I will convert? There is no number under it, means what will be the number? 1. And I have to remove the point from it. So how many times I have to shift the number? 1 2 3. So how much? What will be the number? 5 8 77. And how many times I have shifted? 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 numbers will be there. It's like that. Whenever you are just converting it into the rational form, you need to convert it into the fraction. Fine. And by moving the number you can find out that how you can convert it into the rational form. Hope so all the things are clear to you. I am giving you the little assignment with it. You need to complete it in your school copies and submit it as well. Meet you the next week inshallah. Allah Hafiz.